Hey all, welcome to Learn QA and Allah channel. In this video, we will try to show you some important applications. Let's see. A reduction of 40% in the price of bananas would enable a man to obtain 64 more for 400 rupees. What is the reduced price per dozen? So here try to understand the situation. What is the situation? A man has 400 rupees. With that, he thought to purchase some bananas. With 400 rupees, he thought to purchase some bananas. But when he went to the market with the same 400 rupees, due to decrease in bananas, he is able to purchase, due to decrease in the price of bananas, he is able to purchase 64 more. So if initially he is purchasing some B bananas, now he is able to purchase 64 more bananas. That means 64 plus B he is purchasing now. Okay. With this situation, what is the reduced price per dozen is the question. Friends, I want to give the clear-cut idea about this model in detail. So first let me explain the traditional way of solving the question. Then I will show you one amazing technique as well. Let us say initial price is X rupees. But in the later case, the price of bananas decreases by 40%. If 40% decrease, you will pay 60% of the value. 60% means 0.6 into X, right? So with the 400 rupees, at X rupees each banana, he can purchase B bananas. With the same 400, with 0.6 into X rupees each, he can purchase 64 plus B bananas. Friends, here B bananas he can purchase, here 64 plus B he can purchase. So what is difference in bananas? How many difference is the bananas? The difference in bananas is 64, right? How do you get the number of bananas? Total amount by the cost of each banana. Here 400 rupees is the amount spent. Each banana 0.6 into X. The total bananas are 400 by 0.6 is nothing but 3 by 5 into X minus. This is the number of bananas he purchased in the second case. What about the first case? 400 rupees with X rupees each. 400 by X. This difference is 64 rupees, right? Why I am discussing this? Because a clear-cut information, clear-cut idea will enable you to understand in a better perspective. So let us consider 400 by X common. So if you consider 400 by X common, 1 by 3 by 5. If you inverse the denominator, 3 by 5, it becomes 5 by 3. And here 400 by X comes out, only 1 left. So first expression 5 by 3, second expression 1. 5 by 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. This is how much? 64 rupees, right? Now what is X value, guys? 400 into 2 by 64 into 3. I am taking X to the right side, 64 to the denominator. This is X. But what is the observation? What you are trying to find out? The reduced price per dozen. So one banana cost is X. For dozen bananas, 12 into X. This is per dozen bananas cost, right? But he is talking about reduced price, guys. So 12 into, what is the reduced price? 0.6 into X, right? So this is original price. What is the reduced price? 0.6 means 3 by 5 into X means what? This is the X value. That is the 400 into 2 by 64 into 3. So now let us simply work out this calculation, right? So 4 goes 100 times, 4 goes 16 times, 4 goes 25 times, 4 goes 4 times, 4 into 3, 12, 12 gets cancelled, 5 goes 5 times and 25, 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30 rupees is the reduced price. But this is a very lengthy process, but still I discussed at the beginning because to understand the situation. Okay, now let me tell you the shortest way. Now friends, 40% is the decrease in price and he carries 400 rupees. How he is able to purchase 64 extra bananas, whatever the money that he saves through the decrease in the price of bananas. 40% is savings, right? What is 40% of 400? 10% 40, 40% 160. So 160 rupees he saves through the reduction in the price of bananas. So whatever the money that he saves, with that money he purchased extra bananas, right? So he purchased 64 extra bananas with the savings 160 rupees. Then what is the cost of each? Total money by one banana cost. So this is a reduced price directly. And per dozen is what? This is one banana. Per dozen bananas into 12. Now see, 4 goes 3 times, 4 goes 16 times, 160 by 16, 10, 10 into 3, 30 rupees, and that is the answer here. So this is the simplest method to understand. So let me explain the situation again. So he went with 400 rupees to the market and he saves 40% money because the reduction in the price is nothing but his savings, right? He is not spending an extra money from his pocket. What is 40% of 400? 160. With this savings, with that 160 rupees, he purchased 65 extra. Then what is one banana cost? 160 by 64. This 160 by 64 is the reduced price per banana. But he is asking dozen bananas cost, right? So into 12 we did, we got 30 rupees. Friends, this is the cost of reduction bananas, reducing the price of bananas. What if it is original cost? What is the cost of bananas at the rate of original per dozen? If I ask something like this, then how do you solve? Let us understand the applications of it. If 1 dozen cost is 30 rupees for the reduction, if I say original cost is 100% per dozen, if original cost is 100%, what is the saving? 40% is savings, right? 40% reduced means what? The reduced price is 60% per dozen, which is how many rupees we got? 30 rupees. If 60% is 30 rupees, what is the original bananas per dozen? 100% is what? So this is exactly half. Exactly half of 100 is 50 rupees. So the original cost of bananas per dozen is 50 rupees. If you want to cross check, you can cross it. That's the beauty of this topic. Now, what is the reduce in the price? 40%. If I decrease it by 40%, you must be able to get the reduction price per bananas per dozen. What is 10% of 55? 40%, 4 5 are 20 rupees decreased. If I decrease it by 20 rupees, you got 30 rupees. In this way, you can play with the questions if you can correctly understand the situation. At the beginning of the stage, at the beginning of my learning, even I too faced a lot of difficulties, but by right approaches. So this is the approach. This is the understanding you must have, guys. So I know that if I discuss this, you may feel difficulty. You may not like my videos, but I want to make you to understand the core concepts as well. Now, with this understanding, let's see how quickly you can work out the balance question. We have another 4 interesting questions on this. Let's see. Okay, now see, like that, you can solve the questions. A reduction of 25% in the price of onions enables a housewife to obtain 5 kgs more for 800 rupees. What is the reduced price per kg? What is the savings? 25%. On what? On 800. So what is the savings, guys? 25% means 1/4. What is 1/4 of 800? 200 rupees he saved. With this 200 rupees savings, he purchased 5 kgs more. So 200 rupees for 5 kgs. What is 1 kg? 40 rupees. That is the reduced price per kg. That's all. What is the answer? 40 rupees. If I ask, what is the original price per kg? Let us try to find out. If I take the original price as 100%, there is 25% decrease, right? What is reduced price then? 75%. This 75% is reduced price, that is 40 rupees. Then what is original price? 100% is what? 100% is what? Simple cross multiplication. So 100 into 40 by 75. So 25 3s are, 25 4s are. So this is 160 by 3. This is a reduced price. If you want to cross check, you can cross it, guys. How do you cross check? If I decrease this price 160 by 3 by 25%, you have to get 40 rupees. Let us try to cross check. If from 160 by 3, if 25%, 1/4 value is decreased, 3/4 of the value he will pay. So 3 cancel, 160 by 4, 40 rupees. You can cross check all the time, right? Okay, let us go for one more question. Now you understood all the methods, right? Traditional method, you know, smart method also, you know. Let us try to solve this question quickly. A reduction of 20% in the price of salt enables the lady to obtain 10 kgs more for 100 rupees. Find the original price per kg. Guys, what is savings? 20% of 100 is savings. So what is 20% of 100? 20 rupees. So 20 rupees he saved, and with that he purchased 10 kgs more. Then what is 1 kg cost? 2 rupees. Right? But what is the question asked? What is the original price? That is what I am focused right from the beginning. You have to know how to find out the reduced price and original price as well. So this is the reduced price, right? This is the reduced price. Then what is the original price, friends? Let us consider the original price is 100%. If 20% is reduced, what is the decreased price? Decreased price is 80%, right? And that 80% is the reduced price, 2 rupees here. If 80% is 2 rupees, what is the original price? 100% is what? 100% is what? So this is 100 into 2 by 80. So 25 is up, 24 is up. So 5 goes 2 times. So 5 by 2 means 2.5 rupees. So this is the original price per kg. Very simple, right? Okay. Next question. A reduction of 10% in the price of sugar enables a lady to buy 3 kgs more for 600 rupees. Find the reduced and original price per kg. Same method, 10% savings on 600 rupees. So the savings are 10% of 600. What is that? 60 rupees. With that 60 rupees, she buys 3 kgs more. So 60 rupees, 3 kgs. Then what is 1 kg cost? 60 by 3 to 20 rupees. This is the reduced price, right? Reduced price is 20 rupees. There are 2 such options. In fact, 3 such options, right? Okay, let's talk about original price. If we consider the original price as 100%, there is 10% discount, means the reduced price is 90%, right? From 100%, 10% decreased, and that is how much reduced price? 20 rupees. If 90% is 20 rupees, what is the original price? 100% is what? 100% is what? So this is 100 into 20 by 90. 0, 0 cancel. This is 200 by 9. 9 2s are 18, 2 remainder. 9 2s are 18, 4 remainder. So 22, 4 by 9. So this is option. 9 2s are 18, 2 remainder. 2 guys, this is 2. Because 9 2s are 18, 2 remainder. 20 in 20, 9 2s are 18, again 2 remainder. So 22, 2 by 9. So the reduced price is 20 rupees and the original price is 20 to 2 by 9, and that is option A. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video helpful for you. So if you like our understanding, our classes, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn QA and LR, and you can spread among your community so that it will be helpful for many people. So thank you so much once again. Keep learning, keep inspiring, friends. And my personal suggestion is, don't try to depend always on shortcuts. Always a traditional approaches, understanding with the question. Aptitude is all about understanding the situations. So traditional method will help you to understand the situations. So work more on understanding situations. So thank you so much. Keep learning, keep inspiring, and best wishes for your competitive exams.